So Saadia has brought us to the souk in Agadir, and I promised to show you what these tagines are. And below these pointed tops, they put the dishes, they put the food in there. You see? And then they put the food in there and they put it on coals, or they put it in the oven and let it cook for hours. It is wonderful. It's called a tagine. And this is the souk. Again, you can find everything from Berber to Berberi. Very good. Anyways, we're here for veggies and for bread. Talking to me. There's the girls in front of us talking away in French. This is one of Saadia's friends. And we're going to zero in over here to dates. Which is
cacao and sesame.
Cacao and sesame.
And I'm eating a pecan.
On a pecan. And we have chocolate there.
Oh, no.
He had it on my shoulder a minute ago.
Oh,
What is it?
what is it?
It's chameleon.
It's a chameleon. You're a chameleon. Get.
Look at it.
Yeah.
Baby.
Yeah. Okay, had it on my shoulder a minute ago. All right, stand still. Oh, there he is. There he is. Got him. Okay, thank you. Yeah. All right, very funny.
Tea.
These are different kinds of teas.
For infusion. Yeah, infusion, yeah.
Oh, but you don't make tea with these.
You don't drink it. Do you drink it? Green tea.
Saadia told us in this souk where it's nicer than the souk in Marrakesh.
It's got circumference. It's got a floor.
Yeah, it's not as old.
Alhamdulillah.
Not as old. It's very crowded today because it's closed on Mondays.
Saadia knows everybody.
And Saadia is a celebrity. Ginger, celebrity.
She knows everybody. She's a celebrity. She's famous.
Yeah. And beautiful, beautiful displays of veggies. Very nice. Look at those puppies. These are lemon confit. Lemon confit that we talked about the other day for the tagine. And then olives, man. Olives everywhere, and peppers back there. Merci. Man, these displays make you want to be a vegetarian. I mean, these are great. These are tagines in action. Whoa,
Beautiful.
look at that. Whoa, look at that puppy. Oh. See, they're on coals. And then they cook all the food in there, and then you go to heaven. Unbelievable.
This price for all.
For all of it.
Give me a hand back, please.
And baby, shot.
We're buying more veggies
Yeah, for couscous. This
for
is
couscous, and Saadia knows what she's doing.
Yeah, we want baby, little baby.
Little babies.
Yeah.
The flowers on the end are a bonus.
Yeah.
Kilo butter. Stomach. Een beetje in fridge voor het
Aubergine.
Aubergine, the little eggplant.
Yeah.
Combien?
That's Saadia knows what she's doing with the eggplants.
5 dirhams kilo.
Just a few tomatoes. Très bon? They're wrestling with the bag, and the bag's winning.
Mountain.
Look at my peas.
I love that.
Those are all peas.
Love.
We're not buying them all, but
We love them.
we're buying plenty. We'll be back. Just in case we didn't say, the tea was important in Morocco. Mint tea. They drink mint tea all day long, and I am falling in love with it. It's wonderful. This settles that. Bev and I were asking ourselves whether or not you celebrated Valentine's Day, and yes, you do.
Pretty.
Okay, the girls are at work.
So we're preparing all the veggies for the couscous, and we have the chickpeas in the pressure cooker over there. This is the special couscous. Yeah. Well,
No, never mind. I don't trust her. The chickpeas are in there.
yeah, there we. And then the special couscous. Yeah, there.
Ah, chickpeas. Okay, we verified that. She wasn't trying to cheat
Special
us.
couscous.
Special couscous here?
No.
Not yet.
This is couscous.
Okay.
We're going there. Yeah.
Ah,
But this is the special couscous.
okay.
Why do that?
Oh, so it's special couscous.
Yeah. The actual,
And that's a special couscous
that's
pan.
how you make it. Yes. The couscous goes on the top. Okay. Woo! There goes the garbage.
Boy. You know, the one thing about Saadia is that she doesn't like hang around thinking about it. You would get at it.
Right at it.
Get her done.
Yeah, he's saying you're a Jew.
Do this little dish here. That's all the veggies.
we didn't have
the
that.
legumes.
And we need some eggplant on yours and on mine.
Okay.
Here's
Just what I need is
So
more.
you have eggplant, cabbage, carrots, chickpeas, squash, potatoes, another kind of potato.
Some olives.
Yeah.
There's the couscous that was
It is.
actually taken off the 3 times?
Yeah.
Taken off the heat?
Three times taken off the heat and added cold water and a little more oil. It is very, very fluffy, very fluffy. And then this is the sauce from all the couscous, from all the vegetables, and we added some. Guess what?
Harissa.
Yes. So good.
Bon appetit.